Hello there, welcome to my academy. Today our topic is prime and composite numbers. First of all, we will learn about their definitions and then we will find if the number is prime or composite numbers. Prime number are those numbers which can be divided by 1 and itself. That means they have only two factors. One is the number itself and 1. Examples are like if I write 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers less than 10. You can see these numbers can be divided by 1 and by itself. Like if a number is 2, it can be divided by 2. So for the case of 3, 3 can only be divided by 1 and 3 or the number itself. Same for 5 and 7. Composites, while the composites numbers have more than two factors. For example, if we have a number 8, its factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Remember this, 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. Other than those two factors, 2 and 4 are the factors of 8 because 8 can be divided by 2 and 4 as well. We may see another example, that's 12. So its factors are 1, 12 can be divided by 1, 3, 12 can also be divided by 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. So the 12 has more than two factors. That's why we say 12 is a composite number. How to differentiate between a prime and composite numbers? So for this we have to remember few prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. These are the prime numbers and one more 19. These are the prime numbers less than 20. Okay, what we will do, let's have an example. We have an example of 67. If we have to check if either the 67 is a prime number or composite, what we will do, we will take first of all its under root. I am writing approximately its under root is 8. It will be 8 point something, but we will take the whole number, that's 8. We will start dividing 67 by the prime, all the prime numbers less than 8. These are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So first of all, we will check if the 67 can be divided by 2 or not. For this, we'll already learned the divisibility rule of 2. We will look at the last digit, that is 7, that's odd. So we say 67 is not divisible by 2. Now check 67 is divisible by 3 or not. We will add both of the numbers. 6 plus 7, that's 13, and 13 cannot be divided by 3. After next check is 5, so we will write 67. Okay, what we do, we will check the last digit, that is 7. It's neither 0 nor 5. So we say this 67 is not divisible by 5. After next check is by 7. To check if the number 67 is divisible by 7 or not, we do log division. Okay, 67. If 7 times 9, 63, 4 will be remainder. So 67 is not exactly divisible by 7. So we say 67 is not divisible by 7 as well. So all these numbers less than 8, all the prime numbers less than 8 cannot divide 67. So we can conclude now 67 is a prime number. Our next example is 91. To check if the number is prime or composite, we will take its under root first. Let's approximate its under root 10. So we will check its divisibility of prime numbers less than 10. Those numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the numbers are those are prime numbers less than 10. So what we will do, we will start to check by 2. Okay, 91. uh, what we do, we take the last digit and see if is it even or odd. If number is odd, we say 91 is not divisible by 2. After next check is by 3. In the list, 3 is the next number. So what we will do, we will add 9 and 1, that comes 10. 10 cannot be divided by 3. So we say 91 cannot be divided by 3. After next check in the list is by the number 5. So we will check its divisibility by 5. We will look at the last digit, that is neither 0 nor 5. So we say 91 cannot be divided by 5 as well. The last check is by 7. So we will do long division. Okay. Uh, let's say we will divide it by 7. 7 times 1, 7. 2 remainder 1. 7 times 3, 21. So 91 is exactly divisible by 7. So we say that 91 can be divided by 7, or in other words 7 is the factor of 91. So if the by definition, if number has more than 2 factors, we say number is composite. So 91 is composite number. We can have large examples as well, large numbers like 1013. Okay, first of all, what we will do, we will just take its under root 1013. Let's say its under root is approximation 35. We will take all the prime numbers less than 35 and start to divide this number by all the prime number. Prime numbers less than 35 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and these are the numbers which are prime numbers and less than 35. We will divide 1013 by all these numbers, and if any of these numbers divide 1013, then we will say 1013 is composite number. Otherwise it's not a composite, or it's a prime number. So we will start it by dividing 2 by dividing 2. So 1013, the last digit is 3 odd, so this number cannot be divided by 2. The next by 3. So what we will do, we will add all the number. These are the sum of the numbers will be 5, and that's also not divisible by 3. So we say 1013 cannot be divided by 3. Same for 5, 7. We will do the long division to check if the number is divisible by 7, or you can use calculator to check 1013 can be divided by any of these numbers. If the result is yes, if this 1013 can be divided by any of these numbers, then we can say the 1013 is composite. Otherwise, it's a prime number. I have checked all the numbers, and 1013 cannot be divided by any of these numbers. So I can say 1013 is prime number.